My experience really, protect yourself at all times applies to a lot of shit. The buddy that you got and the group of boys that you hang out with, right? If I got one buddy likes to show off, you're gonna have good friends, you're gonna have bad friends. And you got the other buddy that wishes he was that kid, and he'll never be that kid because he's just not that kid. Then you got another buddy, he's got like all these great ideas and shit. Like, how come you always try to pull somebody into that with you, man? In trouble ass making, taking paths towards troublemakers, they're gonna be the same way when they're adults, man. As friends, you need to have friends. It's an important part. But be smart enough to know this friend is for this friend is for that, this friend is for that, this friend is for... But identify what friends are which. If you're sad or something, like, friend hits you up, hey man, what's up, you want to go to the beach? You want to go, man? Shit, don't sit on your shoulders. Nothing. Get up, man. Go enjoy time on this planet with those friends, you know. Love you, kid.